So, another take and training day by Hayden Lewis, Shamshir, and Separ, and from Razmafzar team. As usual, Hayden is warming up his shoulders, and as you can see, he's getting faster and faster. This enables him to be prepared, and you can tell that he's, this is very good because, when you document different trainings, katas get better, combinations get better, weapon training, archery, fighting. We are just animals of habit. The more we practice anything, we get better at that. So he's just using some basic cuts with the shamshir upward cuts, as you can see it here. So it prepares him to do some exercises, as you can see it here. So these are downward diagonal cuts, as you can see. So these are these vertical downward strike or cuts, which are extremely important and one of the basic cuts in Razmafzar system. So he's doing upward cut. I asked him to do it slowly so I can see the angle of his attacks, of his cuts, and it's getting better and better, as you can see it here. And this way Hayden can show his improvements, as you can see it here. See this, when you do it slowly, you can take a look at the angle of the hand and improve. So he goes to different angles, as you can see it here. So he's stretching it, going to the high guard, going to the different guards, as you can see it here, the shamshir. This enables him to measure. I mean, it's just a training because he's not holding Separ still in his hand. He's trying to warm up and to improve the angle of his attack, as you can see it here. That's what Hayden is doing at the moment. And now he's doing the same thing with his left hand. So it's stretching it, taking different angles with the shamshir. See that this is simulating thrusts, as you can see it here, going to different directions, as you can see, and this will improve it. Now it's with the shield, so he goes to the shield punch with the surface of the shield. This is also important. I don't want you to just do the edge of his shield. You need to do surface punching. That's why the buckles are there, shield buckles. Edge punching, you can do it from time to time, but buckle punching is much better. So he's doing it here, as you can see it here. Goes to the face, upward, as you can see. This is like a back fist, but you can do it with the buckle again, and so this is also one variety, as you can see here, and Hayden is practicing it. So he's now shield punching, as you can see. So this is very good training for warming up and using actually weapons as tools for warming up. And this is also something very valuable for your body. It's like as if you are doing light dumbbell training. So here you see that he's showing different moves with his shamshir and separ. This is good that he keeps guard close. He goes to high guard, and then he is moving around the shield. As you can see, this is what I wanted him. He went to a low guard. You see how it changes the direction of his cuts, and this is extremely important that he works around the separ, around the shield. And this is what I wanted him to do, as you can see it here. So this is very good. Goes now to the high guard. He goes below the armpit, goes around the neck. He cuts, keeps cutting, cross guard over the neck. So he's doing the middle guard, as you can see, bring it up. There are different cuts he does. Goes to the high guard. Again, different cuts as he manages to do here, and you will see that. So he goes there, goes to the middle guard after all this. You see now he's on the other hand, left hand, middle guard. Very good. And high guard, as you can see it here, changing to the middle guard. Again, cross guard under the armpit, cross guard over the neck, then changes immediately to the middle guard. Over the neck again, cross guard over the neck. Lower guard, middle guard. And you see there are different moves. Thank you very much and wish you a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, and ask any questions you have. If you wish to buy my books, please go to the link provided here.